Welcome, here I've got CAT S52 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here. So let me try to use them and see how it works now. And as you can see, for now I can take a picture. So to change this function we have to move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner. And when we do it, we get access to advanced camera settings. As you can see here we have use volume key as option. So when we tap on this we can easily change it from the shooter, volume to zoom. So for now I'm going to pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera preview and let me try to use them again. And as you can see now I can easily get closer to my subject and zoom by using the volume buttons here, and also go back. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.